Hi, I'm Kari, and today we're going to talk a little bit about dealing with low back pain and some simple tips for dealing with it at home while you can't get massage. So the first thing I want you to do is to warm up your back. And if you had just worked out, then you are good to go. Otherwise, you can go for a walk, or you can try some simple home exercises like some of these. And these, and these. And once you're all warmed up, then you're ready for the next step, which is to stretch. So we're going to do some simple spinal twists. I'm going to put my left hand on my right knee and just gently pull my whole spine, torso to the right and stretch out those back muscles. So one important thing to notice is where you're feeling the pull when you're starting to do these stretches. You might feel it in places other than the area that hurts, which could partially be because the stretch is not addressing the right area, but it could be because you have a chain of muscles that are tense. So before you can even reach the tension in, a deeper muscle, you have to address the tension in the more superficial muscles first. So it could be a bit of a process for you, but hang in there and just keep on moving and doing what feels good. One I like a lot for a stretch for the low back is just the leaning forward. And you can just rest in this child's pose type of position for as long as you want, really. You can gently shift and stretch your back. You can lean on your elbows. It depends on, how flexible you are and how easily you can lean forward. The idea is to get those fibers warm and relaxed and starting to kind of move alongside each other and not just be fibrously sticking to each other. Okay, and then we'll move on to the more massage portion. And now you know that I love using super fancy and expensive tools. So, no, it's not true at all. So I have some cans of food here that we're going to use as our massage tools for today. So I have that and a little hand towel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lay these down so that there's a space in between them where my spine can be, and then I'm just going to lay down on top of them and relax as best I can. So I'll position these here, and you can, put them however high up on your back you want them to be, but I have this nice space in here for my spine to go in so it's not pressing directly on those bones. And then I'm going to, hi Bucky, I'm going to lay this cloth on top of it just to kind of soften the edges a bit. And then you just lay back slowly, and you don't have to put all your back weight on it right as you're laying down. You can kind of arch your back up a little bit and then rest down on it and adjust them as needed. And then you just kind of relax into it. It should feel a little bit like a stretch, a little bit like it's kind of pressing the muscles in a longer position than they were before to stretch them out on a more focused level. And you can leave that there for as long as you want, but the key is to relax your back muscles as much as you can. And it'll be a little bit less of a stretch with your knees up like this. If you want a deeper stretch, yep. You can put your feet out, and that'll be a little bit of a deeper stretch. And you can, again, put that at whatever locations you feel the tension. And this is a great thing to pair with some glute stretches and work, because a lot of times the back muscles and the gluteals are really interconnected in when they feel tension, kind of the whole area is tight. If you think about it as a postural muscle, the glutes are the axis upon which the whole torso bends. So they're really key in keeping your body upright. And then the next thing up being the low back muscles. So they really work together in key ways. And so it makes sense to work on releasing them in tandem. All right, well, I hope that helps you out. Have a great day. Bye. Who's a pretty chicken? Is it you? Yes, I'm a dinosaur.